Yeah, only in Moab, which is kind of the city of Arches. Arches National Park and Arches everywhere else. Right there, little sliver of an arch. It's called Jug Handle, and it gets a sign and a place on the map. But it is the landmark at the intersection off of 279 coming from Moab to Pucker Pass. Long Canyon. Come down this road and the odds are you will see desert bighorn sheep. Like every place else, be a good steward of the land you're playing on so it doesn't get shut down for the next generation. Stay on the fucking road. I'm gonna call this a two-wheel drive and high clearance recommended. Four-wheel drive would be recommended if it's gonna have inclement weather. But this road is so short, if you get bad weather, you can turn around and go back the other way and be safe. So let me show you what's cool about this road. And don't buy all that crap on Instaglam that you need traction boards, high lift jacks, roto packs, or any red painted D-rings for your vehicle. All you need is four-wheel drive and high clearance. I don't know how well this is showing up. I know everybody says that with their GoPros, but this is new. This is a washout. This is what happens when it snows and it melts or you get a heavy downpour. The road washes out and it has not yet been repaired. So people have made a go around this way. I'm gonna go through the washout because it's dried out, and I've got two-wheel drive and I've got high clearance. But that right there in the mud, you would need four-wheel drive to get out of that and get through it. This is the road that I want to drive a little bit slower on. I'm not at all concerned about the road, as you just saw. But I do know that if I drive slow enough and look up into the rocks on both sides, I may just see one of them bighorn sheep. They're out here. I've seen them several times. But they're hard to find. So yesterday I spent all day on chicken corners. Let's see, yesterday would have been Wednesday. I saw 3 vehicles total for the whole day on chicken corners. 1 Jeep, 1 Bronco, and 1 side-by-side. I'd take that any day. Alright, so this fall and this winter we've gotten a lot of precipitation, and you can see some remnants of washouts, although minor. Right here, that got washed a little bit, hadn't been repaired yet. Very minor. But that's kind of what's cool about Moab, to me anyways. You come out here every 2 months and it can be that much different, just because of the wear and the tear on the trails, wind blowing, and whatever precipitation and washouts we get. This right here looks rather new to me. Got a couple little washouts from the left. All dry now, of course. Okay, you can see, or I hope you can see, a little bit of a washout that happened here. It looks like it's kind of been hand put back together. You probably would have been all right if you'd have been out here in the rain. Coming from Moab to Pucker Pass, Long Canyon, you're going to be going uphill, because realize you're entering the road at the Colorado River. So naturally you're going to be going uphill from there, because the Colorado River is about the lowest point in all of Moab. Common sense, fuckers. I'm still looking for the sheep. This is a good stopping area. Okay, off in the distant horizon, below the only clouds around here, are the LaSalle Mountains. And of course you can see the road as it winds in and comes up. But yeah, Long Canyon. I'm in no hurry today, so we are just taking our time and trying to take in every bit of the scenery. Have I seen any sheep yet? No! Okay, here's something I don't know how many of y'all people are aware of or have noticed, but you see these little berms along the side of the road? That is made by a tractor gradle, which pushes dirt and rocks into the cracks and crevices and the big pieces off to the side. All this means is that the road is maintained, but it doesn't tell you what interval. Well, screw me. Man, this sucks. Alright, so look here. There's about a 300-foot drop off to the edges. And if anybody knows anything about KO2 tires, they suck on ice. They will slide around a lot. And I don't even like walking out on this. It's slippery. So I'm gonna have to call it right here. And I'm gonna turn around. I don't think this part of the road gets any sun during the winter. So the only way this melts is by temperatures, not by sun. Which means I'll either come back this afternoon, depending on where I am, or this summer. But as far as I can see up there, and it's windy, twisty, it's snow covered. Coming down, or even going up during the, when it's soft and slushy, should be no big deal. See there? Proof we got sheep up here. But that's it for the Pucker Pass.